The two numbers are in ratio. Eight to 6 if they differ by 16. Find the numbers. Two numbers are in ratio 8:6. If they differ by 16, find the numbers. Solution will be let the numbers be 8x and 6x. According to the relation by the question, eight x minus 6x is equal to 16. Since their difference is 16, so now this will be 2x equal to 16, which gives x equal to 16 over 2, which is 8. Value of x is 8. Now the first number will be 8x, that means 8 into 8, which is 64. Second number is 6x, which is 6 into 8, which is 48. So these are the two numbers. It is our answer.